I'm gonna name 3 players, and then when uzong rate bona out of 5. I'm gonna start with the Orlando Pirates game. And then each time usirate-ela yena uzositshela why umupha leyo number leyo out of 5. I'll start with the Pirates game. Talent Mbatha.
Oh, Talent Mbatha. Out of 5, I'll give him 3. Why I'm giving him 3 is because he did very well in the midfield. But because of I know him that he can break my windows and he can take the shot outside the box. That's only one those 2 things. He didn't do that against Ilonzwana Skukuna. And where you see Skukuna, we're playing a low block. That's where I think we needed him, Mbatha, outside the box to take those shots.
Siyakudle game ye-Sundowns. Tebogo Mokoena.
No. 5-5, Baba. Tebza, in that midfield, that boy is the boss. That midfield, that boy is the boss. Look at the goal. Look at the goal. And one thing about this boy is that I love that he knows when to go to that space next to the box and take a shot. He knows when to go there. He knows when to sit in that midfield. Utebza is the boss. I give him 5 out of 5.
And then going to your favorite team, Mamakhosi for life. Pule Modi, goal scorer.
Modi, I will give him 3. Why I'm giving him 3? Yes, he scored a goal that gave Kaizer Chiefs 3 points. But I still need him in terms of, creativity, combination play with his teammates because, I don't see that. A 1v1 where you will take on a player, cut inside the box, take a shot. I don't see that. Or maybe get a ball, have a combination play with a midfielder or with a striker, and then maybe create an opportunity to score. Those are the things that I expect from Momodu. Yes, he's got energy. Unawamandla ogulwa. Yes, he scored the goal. But I think I need this 2 from him. That as an attacking player, can I get this from you? If I can get this from you, done.